wabarakatuh. So for introduction, any organization relies on internet communication as a particular strength in terms of organizational moral, engagement, productivity, and overall organized efficiency. So it helps in having a proper flow of information and how employees can follow the vision and mission of the company and foster a supportive work culture. On the other hand, strong internet communication result in clarity, demoralization, and disrupted operation that are detrimental to an organization's success and sustainable competitiveness. So next, the goals of this report are as follows. At first, to pinpoint two major communication concerns existing inside the organizations in the case study. And next, to briefly explain and contrast internal communication with the aid of diagrams. And third, to evaluate and compare two current internal communication practice of the organizations, which are strengths and weakness. And fourth, to determine the level of efficiency of the internal communications as it currently stands and to propose two changes for the current situations.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zainuddin Nizam. My material number is T01944, and I will discuss about two key issues related to the organizational communication in the case study. The firstly is critical challenge faced by small, medium-sized enterprise or SME, which is poor communication management between departments, particularly between sales, marketing, and production. One of the primary challenges highlighted in the case study is the poor communication management between departments. This issue is especially serious in SMEs because of limited resources and informal communication system. Ineffective communication can result in significant delays in the delivery of products or goods to the customers. For instance, if the sales or marketing team fails to properly communicate customer needs to the production management, it can lead to production of faulty or below standards goods. This necessitates redoing or fixing mistakes, causing further and higher expenses. According to Stone and College in 2002, such efficiencies can be detrimental to the business. Effective communication management is critical to the operation of enterprise, particularly across divisions that are essential for the delivery of goods or service. As Mashke and Piri pointed out in 2021, it can significantly enhance organizational performance and decision making by accurately and promptly exchanging pertinent data. Organizations can avoid potential issues and improve overall efficiency. Another critical issue in organizational communication is the difficulty in delivering knowledge and information from one organizational unit to another. Efficient information management is crucial for corporate growth, yet SMEs often face challenges in this area. Information transfer difficulties can lead to deficiencies or delays in the decision-making process. For example, the marketing department must quickly and effectively communicate any changes in client needs to the production team and other relevant departments to ensure that changes are implemented according to the timeline. Borgov and Barchi highlighted these needs back in 1998. Several factors contribute to communication difficulties in SMEs, include the absence of interconnected information systems, reliance on unauthorized and authorized communication methods, and the lack of established communication protocols within the institutions. Workers in SMEs often depend on informal methods such as emails or face-to-face decisions to share information, which increases the likelihood of misunderstandings or misinterpretations. Catherine Baker in 1999 emphasized the importance of effective information management and communication platforms to facilitate seamless knowledge sharing within an organization.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Shafika, binti Saiful Hikam, and my matric number is 298610. So I'm going to explain about the flow of internal communication for both companies, which is Company A and Company B. For Company A, they handle client feedback and revision requests through a streamlined process. The marketing department receives feedback and promptly share it with the production team and relevant management departments. The production team then informs the planning department about any changes needed in production or materials. This ensures everyone is on the same page and can respond quickly. The centralized communication system using tools like email, WhatsApp, and internal platforms ensures information is quickly shared with the necessary departments. This speeds up the responses to any production changes. This process not only improves internal communication, but also makes client invoicing more efficient. Continuous feedback loops help further refine and optimize communication procedures. And for company B, the internal communication starts with gathering client feedback and noting changes based on internal observation. The marketing division plays a key role by identifying changes in consumers' demands and product improvement opportunities, and then quickly sharing these insights with management, development, and production departments. A centralized communication system using email, WhatsApp, and an internal platform ensures that information is efficiently shared across departments. This allows team to act quickly and client approve modifications. Continuous feedback loops help refine communication processes, promoting flexibility and responsiveness. Standardizing these tools aim to overcome challenges like resistance to change and unequal access to communication technologies. The goal is to improve overall efficiency and agility in meeting customer and organizational needs. The comparison of the flow of the internal communication for both companies is Company A is developing new training initiative to improve internal communication and productivity, while Company B face delays in information sharing and prioritize keeping managers updated and addressing issues quickly. They test an internal communication system with some success and found that their efforts increase staff motivation and problem solving. Both companies are now collaborating to share solutions and play to implement a digital information management system. Company B also aims to improve its meeting procedures for ongoing improvement.
Assalamualaikum and salam bilawani to everyone. Now let's proceed to my part in this group presentation. But first of all, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Safwan Yusufanaim, entry number 299883. I will be presenting the topic 4.0, which is 2 internal communication strategies that are being practiced by both companies. I will also explain the strengths and weaknesses of it. The first strategy used by both companies is a participative business model development process. This type of process or strategy can encourage the diverse insights and expertise of employees to create a more cohesive and communicative work environment, which leads to positive transformation and enhanced organizational performance. Firstly, the strength of the strategy can promote staff participation and teamwork, identifying communication problems and solutions. Employees might feel more motivated to find and implement solutions when they are aware of the company's objective. Secondly, it can also help employees create a joint understanding of problems that happen in the company and how to address them between each other. By this way, the relationship between people in the organization can be developed and the objective can easily be achieved. Thirdly, the strategy makes it easier for the staff to use implicit knowledge in the company. The information can be discussed freely and the best ideas will be selected after the evaluation to solve the problems. Despite all of the strength, it has some weaknesses as well. Firstly, it's a time-consuming process which can require a lot of resources and commitment from all of the stakeholders. Next, the potential for conflicts among staff participation during the idea generation and evaluation phases, which lastly can lead to frustration among employees if the solutions are not put into practice right away. The second strategy used by both companies is idea generation and idea evaluation process. The companies face internal communication challenges in production, marketing, and sales department, which led to issues such as delays in the information chain from clients to production. Based on the strategy practices, it has several strengths resulting in increased motivation among employees and so on. Firstly, the process involves all of the company employees, which can promote embracing diversity and diverse perspective among employees. Secondly, it encourages the organization to make open discussion and feedback on ideas given that leads to an accurate selection of the best options. This process can make the employees feel more appreciated because they can help give new ideas to solve the problems, while also evaluate each suggestion, ranking the ideas that have the best chance of improving internal communication while taking costs, productivity, and practicality into consideration. The strategy has some weaknesses too that can lead to internal communication problems. Firstly, it relies heavily on the effectiveness of the evaluation criteria, which can be prone to biased opinion. Next, it is limited by the creativity and innovation capabilities because all of the ideas given are from the same participants. This can potentially missing out on incredible ideas from other resources outside the organization. Last but not least, the strategy requires a structured approach to ensure that all ideas are truly evaluated. This can be challenging in larger organizations that have diverse teams in their company, which can take a lot of time and resources. That's all from my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Fauzan bin Suzilan. Entry number is 302416. Next, I want to representing a 5.0 opinions about the company's internal communication practice. As we know, internal communication is a crucial for a company's success. According to Escalinen et al. 2017, Company A had an issue between the productivity and marketing and product deliveries. After adopting a new communication system, they improve productivities but face a challenge. Then company B struggle with information flows, causing information reach employees late. They boosted employees' motivation and reduced communication barriers but still found hard to implement solution. In both cases, while progress was made in identifying communication issues and solution, a successful implementation remains a challenge. This highlights the need for effective change management and ensuring all staff are well informed. So that's all the opinion in the companies A and company B from the case study 2. Next, I will explain the 6.0, the suggestion for improvement according to the situations in the case study. Improving the internet communication is crucial for small and medium enterprise to succeed. The case of company A and company B highlight two keys of recommendation to success, that is comprehensive training and effective digital information management system. First, a comprehensive training. Implementing targeted training programs can enhance communication skills like active listening and conflict resolution. This program should involve all employees and include the practical activities like workshop and role playing. This effective the training leads to better performance and higher productivity and increase employees' satisfaction. The next suggestion is having a digital information management system. Using these tools can improve a real-time communication by project tracking and document sharing. Implementing system like this can instance messaging and project management software help reduce delays and communication barriers. Successful implementation requires planning, employees investment and training. So in conclusion, comprehensive training and digital information management system can greatly enhance the internal communication in small medium enterprise, leading to better performance and achievement of goals. That's all from me. Thank you.
In summary, internet communication is of particular importance for SMEs. An implication of this study is the need to institute, elaborate, comprehensive training procedures and effective methods of handling digital information. So some suggestions that can be made to improve the training are: lecturers should listen to their audience. They should make sure that their message is clear and comprehensible, and they should encourage feedback to be given, plus they should integrate a competent mechanism of resolving dispute. Comprehensive training should be highly valued and employees should be encouraged to engage in it. Digital information system improve conversation process via the use of group message applications, share work collaboration application and documentation, and help in decision making through applications such as project management system. Implementing these strategies enable SMEs to deal with challenges, exploit opportunities and enhance organizational performance, thus increasing their comprehensive competitiveness in the present world business environment. Thank you.